4th entry, he's locking the door. She texts him, let me see your hand.
I don't do that.
Nope. That's me, that's who it is.
Wow! Okay. I don't know what
Show me your hands. Hands in the air or you're gonna be tased.
It's me.
Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Oh, where's Steven?
No, Steven. He's lucky. He's fine. Lucky, come over here.
What's he driving?
Truck.
What color?
Dark red. I think a dark red one. Why are you getting a red? Hey, yeah.
Is Steven here? Is Steven here?
Is Steve here? Somebody's here to see him.
Hi.
Hey, no, he's not here.
Okay.
And I do not know where he is.
All right. Well, I'm his bail bondsman.
Oh.
So, I mean, does he have a room here? Does he stay here? Is he staying somewhere else?
He
was supposed to squash his warrant on Friday, and he didn't.
Lucky.
Oh. As far as I knew, that was his plan. So.
Yeah, he did.
Yeah. I haven't talked to him all weekend.
Okay. You haven't seen him, or?
I have not seen him.
So, does he live here, or does he live somewhere else?
He has an apartment downstairs.
Okay. All right. I got to verify, make sure he's not here. Where does he usually park?
In the back.
In the back?
In the back. Yeah.
Okay. Where's the entrance to his apartment? Is it through the rear, or
Yeah.
is it through?
Back.
Back door.
All right. Hang on one sec. Yeah, I'm coming through.
Oh,
I got the address.
Oh, can you possibly go around?
They go through the back door.
Well, she's gonna go around. I'm gonna go this way.
Okay.
I got an active warrant.
All right,
I got an
will
active
you
warrant
hold
for his
him,
arrest. So.
Hold the dog. I'm just the dog. I'm sorry.
Why? Is there people back there?
Back where?
I don't know if there's people.
You're in my back.
Here, switch. Okay. Okay.
Foxtrot 433, status check. Code 4.
We got lights on downstairs.
Foxtrot 42, status check. Foxtrot 425, status check. Foxtrot 429, status check. Code 4. Copy, we go.
Wait, he's not back down.
Huh?
Oh, Steve.
Hey, Lydia. Lydia. Lydia.
Steve.
I fast 100. I fast 200.
He's not answering. He's not answering.
All right, maybe
There's a truck in here.
he might not be down here. So.
He has one dog. I don't know if that's why I'm down here.
His truck's not here. He's not.
Okay.
Here, can I help him?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm not putting that dog down there.
What dog is down there?
No, he had that one fight people.
I fast 100, go ahead.
I'm out on a fugitive investigation. I'll get you the address here shortly. Doesn't look like they're here. I just gotta verify. I'm already here. I'm already in town.
Channel 1. Channel 3.
Sure.
Channel 2.
Is there a light switch? We're using heroin. We're using heroin. We're using a whole shit ton of heroin. Whoa. Sounds like a mouse or a rat or something. Okay, I won't. Is it pretty loud?
No, it's not loud.
Who's that guy out?
It's in the middle of the night, so
Who's that? Who's that?
it's quiet.
Well, he's got a warrant, so he's doing the I'm only going to show up in the middle of the night because I got
I
a
thought he was,
warrant shuffle.
honestly, I thought he was going to treatment, is what I heard.
Well, yeah, his charges are.
But he also had told me that he was, his attorney, somebody was taking care of
Wow.
some import, and he said that was supposed to be Friday.
Yeah.
Who's the guy upstairs?
Which one?
The guy that walked up with us and is acting like our best friend.
I'm not quite sure. The one that was helping with the dog? Or was that
Yeah.
the other?
Yeah, that one.
Oh, that's one of the neighbors, Kurt.
Who's the girl that stays down here?
Where's the dog?
His-
Who's yeah? What's her name?
Zoe?
Yeah, Zoe. Okay. Well, obviously they're staying somewhere else. If you see him, he's got to show up to the bail bond company.
Hating on because, come on.
Is he just a little shy or protective?
Yeah,
A little bit of both.
come on. All right.
Yeah, just looking for something to write on.
I got corn going over here. I'm hoping it turns out to be all right.
It's okay, buddy.
Corn and some peas and stuff over there. Little rock garden. A friend of mine made the little, cause I have a injured back, but he made the little rock garden for me, and so I really enjoy. I spend a lot of time in it.
Here's just in case you want it.
Okay.
That's my phone number.
All right.
We aren't cops. We're bail bondsmen.
Oh, okay.
We're not law. We're his bail bondsmen. This is his address, so that entitles us to come to the house. And the fact that he has a warrant. He's running on some pretty heavy duty stuff.
I don't know.
His charges are four.
I know, and I haven't heard what they were, but yeah, I know that he was like crying last weekend.
Well, treatment would be a great option for him. You know, it's 4 counts of possession of a controlled substance. So
I know.
it's on Accounting
Yeah,
County.
with
It's on.
Corona, I understand that I understand the charges. I understood, but I was on the phone talking. I was trying to talk to Kitten County that day. I ended up talking to the emergency dispatcher, and I talked to Idaho State, and that whole thing was so horribly bogus. And I understand that they're charging him with all that. But,
Yeah. Well, hopefully he can beat it. We're not here to judge.
I don't think he thinks he can.
We're you know,
And Kootenai County, you know, I mean, I hate to
Kootenai
say
County's all about treatment.
Really?
They're all about treatment.
I hope so. Well, I hope
No,
they are
no, they
for
are.
him.
I saw we had a girl had a pound of meth in her car. She got 6 months treatment. Boom, charges dismissed. So.
Yeah, this is Idaho State. I
No, that's Idaho.
if
that's Idaho.
if they're for treatment, I'm for treatment. Oh my God,
Oh, he's using bad.
Lord.
You're going to have a professional cleanup down there. You're not going to want to go down there. There's too many opportunities to get hurt. So.
I don't go in the room.
Huh?
Nothing.
Well, he's not down there.
Nothing.
He's just got to call his bail bondsman, man. We
He's
ain't
got
cops.
a warrant.
Well, we can fix it. We can quash his warrant, get him back on track. We're here looking for another guy on the other side of town, so we figured we'd swing by. We don't always dress like this. But no, we're bail bondsmen. We got a right to enter the house. We don't need warrants and all
All
that
the
stuff.
same to me.
So-
It's
so
gear that can
Steve-
hurt me. I pay
Steve
attention.
can take care of it. So what do you have? So
He's just got to call the office. I was here to take him to the office if he was here. No. Go look at it.
Oh, I
go.
got 5 of them.
Oh, you got to see him.
I have 5. Bless their hearts. They are so funny right now. They just started. They just pounced.
5 of them.
They just pounced and they just started climbing. They're so funny. They are hysterical. I watch them all day. They're just adorable.
Yeah, so we're with the bail bond company. He was supposed to take care of everything on Friday, and he didn't. So they sent us to see what was going on. You want a picture with the kitten? She loves kittens.
So do I.
They're free if you need one.
And all he's got to do is start making phone calls
Okay.
and not blow people off. Then we can keep him out on bail, and we can fix this. You can get him into treatment, because after what I saw down there, he needs treatment. He's using heavily.
God, I know he needs treatment, but I know.
He's using a lot of heroin. I don't know if
know.
he's shooting heroin or meth, but you don't want to go down there because you could get stuck. There's needles in there.
She don't.
No, she can't. Oh, there's Mama.
So. Let's see, this is Roman here.
That is wrong. Oh my goodness, I know my kittens.
Okay, alright.
They got fleas.
Do they?
Mm-hmm.
You know how to get rid of fleas?
Yeah, you comb them and bathe them.
Exactly. That's what you do. I saw one on one of their bellies. I was
Yeah.
just telling the neighbor how to get, because he wants one too.
Let's see.
I can comb them, but they'll get them back. So you just
Yeah.
need to know how to
Let
comb
me
them.
see.
Yeah.
I'm gonna see if it's a boy or a girl.
It's the best thing
You
to
can't
do
tell,
with
can
any
you?
animal.
But I can tell.
Yeah, she can tell.
It's a
They
little
live
girl.
in Olympia,
It's a girl?
the size
Okay, what's
of
this
a-
one here?
They're the
Let's see what
size
this
of
one-
flies.
Oh, Olympia's really
What's
big.
this one here?
God.
It's a boy.
Okay, that's a boy. Alright.
Okay, she still drinks a mama's kitty, but she eats out
Yeah.
of a bowl
Hey, my
and
boss isn't gonna
drinks
let me.
water.
He's not gonna let me take one.
You're not.
Not right now. I mean, if we come back and fix this for him, we can come back tomorrow, or she can come back tomorrow.
I'll help try to get hold of him. He's gonna fix it.
Okay, yeah. Like I said, we're with the bail bond
Guarantee it,
company.
yeah.
He already knows we're trying to fix it.
Okay,
So.
alright.
Hello? 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 Anybody home? Hello? Hey, Steve here?
Door open back here. It goes
I ain't seen him for a while,
downstairs,
but who's
people
it?
talking.
No?
Uh-uh.
Hey, remember me?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I had to see that.
Yeah.
Come on in.
Oh, hey, look, the kittens are sleeping.
Yeah, they're doing good. What's up?
I haven't heard or
Let me
anything.
go check.
Is he parking his truck somewhere else, or?
No,
Oh, his dog's here?
no, he's not here.
But his dog, is that his dog, or is that the other
That's
dog?
our dog.
Oh. Oh, watch my nuts.
He's afraid of fireworks.
Oh, yeah. So,
Oh gosh, God, please be careful.
yep. So, has he been back?
Huh? We seen him. What?
Hey, kid, come here.
Pardon me? Excuse me.
Yeah,
Hello?
yeah, who's down here? Who are you? What? No? What you doing down here? Just you?
Yeah, just me.
Okay. You stay here?
No.
Then what you doing here?
Waiting for Zoe to come back here.
When are they coming back? I'm gonna
I
step
don't
past
know about they. I don't know anything about what they are doing.
you. Okay. Hey, Will? Hey, Will, come on down here. So, have you been here all day, or come in?
Well, what do you mean, how did they get here? They got dropped off here. Maybe it's been longer than 2
Well-
minutes. I don't know. I'm just waiting for my friend to come home.
You're waiting for Zoe.
Yeah, for Zoe.
That's Steve's girlfriend.
Yeah.
But you don't live here? Nothing like that? Place cleaned up since the last time I was here. A lot of the drugs are gone. Or the needles. Hey, could you check around the other side over there? So Zoe's due back anytime?
I would assume so, I think. I don't know. She went to go pay a phone bill or something.
Okay, but she was here earlier?
She was here, yeah. Not Steve. I haven't seen Steve in a while.
Because he's
Don't
running
hear
on
very
stupid,
much.
stupid shit. You're a tall girl.
I have heels on.
Even without the heels, you're still kind of tall. You don't have any warrants or anything, do you? And you're expecting her. She's due back. How's she gonna get here?
I don't know. She got a ride or got a bike. I have no idea what she's doing. She just knows she went to pay a phone bill.
What's your relationship with Steve? So excuse me, I'm gonna squeeze by you again. Alrighty, cool. Probably see you again. Hey, kitty. Where's one of your kittens? There's your kitten. Hey, mama.
I'm sorry.
So, remember, this is the address that they put down on the paperwork. So, this is his last known and his address.
Yeah,
So I guess Zoe's on her way back or something.
I don't know.
Well, that's what that girl said.
I'm the last person they tell.
Yeah, they tell anything to.
I'm the
Who's
mom.
the other
They-
guy?
Even Kurt, he's the same one that was here the other night.
Okay.
He's my neighbor.
You still have my number?
He fights.
Do you
I don't
need-
know.
Do you need it again?
Yeah.
I'd really like to.
Because the kittens are ready. Will you tell Al?
Yeah, I'll tell her.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll tell her. You know the girl downstairs? What her name is?
Really short dress.
She's wearing a super.
Friend was always.
Yeah, she's a friend of Zoe's. So he's been back one time, huh?
As far as I know, and I didn't. She had some guy over the other night, and
Who, Zoe?
somebody. They said, "Do you know what time it was?" I thought it was him. It wasn't. I answered. I'm really sorry I did, but yeah. So I'm not even.
So he's staying somewhere else. He ain't staying here.
I don't know.
Why is he running on this? This is so stupid.
I'm not sure. Honest to God.
It's so stupid.
I don't know because it really needs to be thrown somewhere.
And it probably will, but when the longer he stays out and the longer he stays running, the more he looks guilty.
I know. But he's scared. He had, did I tell you, he had botulism. He's got botulism.
Uh-huh.
And it cripples him.
What?
And he's
Well, he
scared
doesn't
to
need
death.
to stay in jail. He can bond right back out. James will keep him out. You know, a guy put his house up for this.
I know Jim did.
Yeah, we're gonna take his house if he doesn't fix it.
You want me to tell him that?
Well, if you see him, yeah.
I mean, it's not like he doesn't know. He knows the system
He
better
knows.
than I do.
Yeah, and the girl downstairs, she knows. I told her, and she goes, "Yeah, I got sued by a bail bond company as well." And it's like, well, then you know.
Why go to one if you're going to do that? That doesn't make sense to me.
Right. All you gotta do is text me.
Counselor?
When he's here, all you gotta do is text me.
I'd blow up. This house would blow up. Literally. I've heard it before. This house runs on gas, doesn't it? And all I wanted him to do was move a motorcycle so it didn't get stolen.
All right, let me, excuse me, I'm gonna get by you guys. What's the name of the guy inside?
Kurt.
Kurt?
Yeah. You're wanted. Just kidding. He's like shut the door.
His boss, Jim, put his house up. We're gonna take his house. They're gonna file for the house on Friday.
You're fucking shitting me.
No, I'm not shitting you.
Okay.
All he's got to do is freaking call me. I left my number with her. He called me. We can fix this. We can keep him out on bail. But they're going to put a lien on his house.
Okay. I'll get hold of him. I will.
All right, man. I got faith in you guys.
I'll get hold of him.
Yeah,
If
you're
that's the
better.
case.
You're better off telling them to get him
I'll
a
find
message
him.
than me, because I'm the last.
I'll
I
find
mean,
him.
so,
Jim
you know-
don't deserve that. I'll find him.
No, Jim don't deserve it at
No,
all.
not when you help
No,
somebody out like
he's
that. I'm
old.
pissed about it. I'll find him.
Yeah.
He's a
You
good
guarantee
guy.
I'll find him.
All right, man. She's
You
got
got,
my.
you got his card?
I
She's,
got his
she's
number
got my.
Okay.
She's got my cell phone number. 24
All right.
hours a day, man.
All right. You guarantee you'll hear something.
All right. Thanks.
Okay, I'm gonna make these berry muffins.
See ya. I'm not even going to talk to Mom. I'm just going to go straight downstairs. Hey, dude. Just the guy I'm looking for.
Right.
Just the guy I'm looking for, man. Drop. Drop.
Yes, sir.
Turn around. Alrighty. Drop. Hands behind your back, dude. Why are you avoiding me?
I was trying to get into treatment.
Yeah? You fucked over. You're fucking bondsman, man. I was just coming here to talk to Zoe and I found you. Holy shit.
So,
Where's she?
Sir.
at? Look what I found. What are you reaching for? Dude, I ain't a cop. I'm a bail bondsman. So I don't want to book you with anything that you don't. So what do you got on you?
I just told him too that you guys are here and that you need to call him.
What do you got, dude? I ain't a cop. I ain't gonna fucking fix you. I ain't gonna fuck with your shit.
There's a little fix in my pocket.
Okay, you want to get that out? Are you comfortable with that?
It's
Don't
in
get
the
poked.
coin pocket.
You're not gonna get stuck, right? Because
No,
you're a
there's
needle
no
boy.
Needle. No, it's,
Hey, look.
it's in there.
Got a mask.
Yeah, fucking dad has $500 to get a fucking lawyer and everything.
Well, let's just fix this, man.
Fuck.
This isn't fixable. This isn't
Yeah,
not fixable. You got any needles on you?
Sorry, Dad. No, I don't.
I just told Steve, he just walked up. I just told him, hey man, you need to get hold
Are
of
you his dad?
No.
No, my dad's in the nursing home.
I told him just now.
He just went back. Then I got in trouble. Yeah, it's in there.
No drugs or anything in here?
No.
right? Okay.
Anyway, he just walked up and I just told him, man, you need to get hold of the guy. He's a
Yeah,
straight
literally,
shooter.
he walked right up. We saw Zoe's car out front, and I thought Zoe was here.
I told him you guys were here about 10 minutes ago. I said they seem like they're straight shooters.
We'll take
You
these
need-
with you,
you need to get
so
a
you
hold
can
of-
smoke. What else
Oh
we
my
got?
You need to get a hold of it. You need to get
What's
a hold
this?
of it and fix it.
What's this?
Oh, we just found those. I don't know what they are.
Dude, you can't just take shit.
We just
that-
found them
that-
on the ground
you can't-
over at
you can't-
Natalie's.
Those ain't
You
those
can't-
ain't like narcotics.
I know,
Stomach pill.
but
Those
what I'm saying is you
Yeah,
can't
those-
just pick up people's random pills because that shit can kill you, man.
But goddamn Steve, I wish he'd been
I'm
gone.
so
You could have called. You
screwed.
could have called them.
I just, like I said, man, I was working another file. I saw Zoe's
He was
car
just
here.
telling me to
I was just
call.
telling him, man. I said you need to call the guy. He seems like he's a straight up shooter. Just call
Yeah.
him and fucking work it out. And he wants to keep you out and not put you in.
That's what he was just
Cash.
saying.
What do you want to do with the
I
cash?
said, so go call him. Because I ain't got
wanna
a
take it
phone
with
to
you?
Get one.
No, give it to him.
God damn.
Fuck.
I'm gonna leave the cigarettes with the lighter so you can smoke on the way in, okay?
Fuck.
You got no needles on you, right?
No. Fuck.
Yeah. Don't do anything stupid.
Huh?
Don't do anything stupid.
Oh no, I'm stupid. I already done.
Well, you need to be out to fight your charges.
But that's what I mean, and now I'm fucked. They're gonna
Well, you
lock
can
me
get-
up, and I'm not
you
gonna
can
be
get-
able to do this.
Yeah, but you can get back out.
I can't afford another fucking $25,000 bond.
Well, then you should have taken care of this one.
I'm fucking screwed, dude. I'm gone.
No, you're not. They'll figure it out. All right, you're gonna walk in front, okay?
I'm fucking screwed.
No, you're not screwed. Watch your step. Let's walk this way.
Fuck. 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 Fuck.
Where's your truck?
Huh?
Where's your truck?
I fucking left it up at my boss's.
How'd you get here?
The Lincoln.
Oh, it was you that came in the Lincoln?
Yeah.
So where's Zoe?
I don't know where she's at.
Who's the girl downstairs?
I don't. That's Zoe's girlfriend. I don't know.
You guys want to take these? Can we have one?
Yeah, absolutely. And we're coming
Mom,
back.
There's popsicles in on the
And we're-
front seat that are melting.
Yeah, and he's got some fireworks too.
I
Where'd you
dropped the
find
fireworks?
Where'd you find the fireworks? Everybody sold out.
From some friends.
Oh.
No, they're down. I got fireworks at the bottom of the stairs. I was bringing home.
What?
I'm fucked.
He's not. You're not fucked.
Steve, you didn't.
I know. I know. Believe me, I know.
You want a cupcake?
No.
We were gone long enough for a cupcake. I'm
What?
gonna have you sit in the back with him, okay?
Yeah.
He's
Where
going
am
to
I?
Kootenai County.
I don't know what I don't think I got into, but I've been trying to not. I haven't been able to shower or anything because fucking you guys have been all over everybody.
I was here one time, dude, and I talked to fucking Jim,
Yeah.
and that was it. I haven't been
Yeah,
everywhere.
Jim's done everything he can to be here to help me. And
Mm-hmm. Fucking painter's pants. I got your wallet on me.
Okay.
All right. So you gonna have a seat?
I gotta pull my pants up.
Okay. All right.
Can these come off?
What?
Or not?
Walking in your undies?
Huh? No, these cuffs.
No.
No. I thought you said I could smoke.
Yeah, we'll let you smoke when we get to the jail. All right. You're gonna sit in the back with him. All right.
This is gonna be fun.
I can move him up to the front as long as you don't do any stupid shit.
I'm not doing anything. I've already done the stupid shit.
And I'm gonna have to put him in the back when we get to the jail, because the jail won't allow you to go in without your handcuffs. They have to be behind your back.
That's fine.
All right.
Thank
Other
you.
hand out. You're gonna be handcuffed to the car.
Yeah, that's fine.
So if
Thank
you
you.
get in an
Thank
accident,
you.
you're trapped in the car. You're gonna die.
Oh, fucking shit. Be my
He's
fucking-
sitting right there with a taser right next to you. Watch your knee.
That's good.
Put your door open. Or you get child locked in too. All right, lean forward for me. This hand goes back here.
I thought you said I could smoke. Well,
Yeah, you can.
yeah, right.
All right, go ahead. Swing your feet around.
Okay, careful my hip. Okay.
Yep. You're gonna come back around. You're gonna come back right here. He's gonna find your smokes in your pocket. We're gonna go to that smoking. Couple more big puffs. Load up on some nicotine. See if that door's open. It probably won't be. Oh, hey, it is. We're gonna go all the way through the metal detector to the left. Nope, all the way. And then right there. Right, yeah, right there. Hi, bail bonds, one with a warrant, bond revoke. I got his ID right here.
Okay.
Yeah, you can just have him chill there. We have cigarettes and a lighter. I'm not talking to him. Huh? Howdy.
That's the paperwork?
Yes, sir, right here. I just need one of those back from you. We have a wallet with a driver's license and some other kind of cards. We've got a pack of smokes, and a lighter's inside here.
Okay.
That is all.
Okay.
He's been 100% cool with us the whole entire way. Never gave us a problem. Never gave us any. Didn't resist at all. We did our best to search his pockets, as many pockets as he has. He's got a lot of pockets.
Oh, does he?
Yeah. Keyholes on both sides on the asp handcuffs. And with any luck, we'll see you in about an hour with another one. If we have real luck, we'll be back 2 more times. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Here's his stuff.
Thank you.
Get those cuffs for me and we'll be on our way. Keyholes on both sides of this, just like yours.
How you doing today, sir?
He's not real happy about being in here.
I understand.
He's on the methadone program, so it's gonna have some withdrawals. Sorry about all this, Steve. Like I said, we'll bail you back out. You just gotta start the process over, man. And I know it sucks, and the timing sucks for you, but it's a lot of liability. All right?
Sure, that works.
Medical's gonna talk to you real quick now.
I'm gonna get your check real quick, man. What's your last name?
Hudson.
Okay.
HUDSON.
In the last week, any travel to high-risk areas like the casino, airport, Texas, anything like that?
No.
Okay. Any exposure to somebody with a documented case of COVID?
No.
Any coughing, sneezing, fever, shortness of breath in the last day? All right, thank you.
Alright, thanks guys.
All right, thank you. Hopefully we see you soon. Fourth of July, look at that. You can hear it. You can't really see it. It smells like fireworks. 4th of July capture. Boy, I thought we were never gonna. What's the chances of running into that dude? Holy cow! We were just there. Anyway, hit the subscribe button. We're off to meet the next one. And with any luck, we'll have 2 tonight.